Hey everyone, welcome to Chris's Craptastic YouTube channel, and today we are having a lesson in how not to do something. Let's get right into it. Okay, today what we're doing is we're going to resize these turnbuckles, suspension shafts, steering shafts, links, whatever you want to call them. Resize them and cut a thread onto them because they were too long. We're going to use my trusty fabric-hobbled don't look at the electrics setup for my Dremel and my new little Ryobi benchtop grinder with the linisher, sander, whatever you want to call it, on there. First of all, we need to know what size we need these, so let's get some measuring equipment and see what we need to do. Okay, let's give this a go. We know our shaft size here should be 3mm, and we're 3.5, so we're going to take 0.25 off each side, which is why I'm using the grinder and just slightly running it across the side, because I haven't got putting a file on it like I did before with this. Yeah, it'll just take way too much meat off, it will. And as the machinists say, rather to be oversized than undersized, you can always take metal off, you can't put it back on. So let's do this. Let's see if we can get in a bit better here. And there is the finished product in place. Seems to work, do its job. Now to make another one.